2022 Acura ILX Interior, Release Date, Pictures. Acura is considered a reduced manufacturer, rivaling Audi and BMW's wants, and the Acura ILX will be the lowest priced solution to purchase in. It looks at some formidable levels of competition, such as the Audi A3 sedan and the BMW 2 Collection Gran Coupe. The ILX has been specifically given the job of tempting new, youthful buyers into the manufacturer to expect that all of those other strong will likely make them get Acuras for a long time. To that particular conclusion, it's a fine vehicle that's properly prepared and much more reasonably priced than Germans. Regrettably, it's disappointed with a minimal level quality interior plus an asthmatic, aged college 2.4-liter number of tube engines. This is certainly far away from excellent in a very portion in which most opposition, such as the Honda Civic, has advanced to very low displacement turbocharged powertrains. To top-rated all this out, the ILX can feel over the age of its competition as it was initially developed about the aged Civic system. So, should it have what it requires to obtain the objectives it turned out created for? Perhaps not. 2022 Acura ILX Redesign. The ILX can be an excellent instance of a classy sedan design. The leading finish functions Acura's precious stone pentagon grille flanked through the evenly unique jewel eyes front lights. All types can come normal using a stainless exhaust suggestion and also an energy moonroof. The regular tires are 17 in. Sparkle gold alloys, although the 18 in. Shark grey rims and keyboard black color back diffuser included in the a-spec package deal carry out the proper design rights. The Acura ILX is 182.2 inches. Very long using a wheelbase of 105.1. It's 55.6 inches high, and it has a breadth of 70.6 inches. The bottom version weighs about 3,095 weight, although incorporating modern technology and a-spec bundles boosts that shape to 3,148 pounds. The new Honda Civic makes use of an all-new foundation having a 106.3 inches wheelbase. The ILX has visibly bigger proportions in comparison to the Germanic duo. The BMW 2 Selection Gran Coupe is 178.5 inches lengthy, although the Audi A3 is rather modest at 175.5 inches. 2022 Acura ILX Interior. The ILX's classic bone fragments are right away obvious whenever you action inside of. It's a lot more modern-day opposition have relocated more than to the present minimal pattern, although the ILX's dash is embellished with switches. The exterior dimension doesn't match with all the offered places inside. The room right in front is okay, even though seating could use much more assistance. Even so, the back legroom is remarkably snug. The twin-display infotainment program, offered with top-quality bundle, is a weird single. It's clunky. If you look into the decreased display screen positioning, it's pretty noticeable that this was an afterthought, a modern-day attribute added to a present classic interior. The ILX will come common using an energy-adaptable driver's chair, warming up for that entrance chairs, and an energy moonroof. The ILX is formally all 5-seater, but you'd need to be a harsh personal to make 3 individuals the rear. The conventional moonroof implies you merely get 38 inches of headroom right in front and 35.9 inches inside the again. The top legroom can be a quite good 42.3 inches, though the back end is quite confined, providing just 34. The driver's chair's place is substantial, despite the 10-way electrical power adaptable seating inside the cheapest setting. Obtaining out and it is simple plenty of, and awareness is a useful one overall. 2022 Acura ILX engine. The ILX is operated by the 2.4-liter natural way aspirated several tube that increases 201 horsepower and 180 lb-ft of torque. Since these numbers propose, the ILX does not lack electrical power, particularly with the fairly lower control body weight. It can drop brief about minimal downwards torque, nevertheless. We've cultivated acquainted with turbocharged engines through the years, giving a reliable whack of torque from just earlier mentioned non-productive rates. In stark distinction, you should rev this 2.4-liter product for top level from it. It could have been legendarily enjoyable in a very two-seater, could we be sure to get yourself a new S2000, but also in a high-end sedan, it merely feels as though a job. Acura doesn't supply effective states, but impartial testing has revealed that it will get from 60 miles per hour in nearly several moments. That's essentially PAR on this section, but due to the electrical power shipping characteristics during the turbocharged Audi A3 and Mercedes A-Type, they think additionally excited. The Acura ILX has a single-engine alternative, a natural means aspirated 2.4-liter several cooking pot with 201 Hewlett-Packard and 180 lb-ft of torque. It's mated for an 8-10 pace double-clutch system transmitting that delivers the ability towards the front side tires especially. In the past, Honda's VTEC engine's supply was characterful but presented their very best at more than 4,000 rpm. But we currently reside on a planet where turbocharging may be the standard. Besides, including the well-known Civic Sword R is turbocharged for 2 decades. With many of the strengths only accessible previously 4,000 rpm, the ILX could be frustrating around. The gearbox does its advisable to compensate for the absence of reduced downward torque, but following the morning, there's no acquiring all around it. On the other hand, the ILX is often exciting in the open street. The motorist has an additional bedroom traveling at top-rated quickness and investigates the engine's rev-pleased Mother Nature. The gearbox is a peach, transferring speedily and easily. It possesses a sports activity function, but this just factors it to hang on devices till the pistons are grooving about the hood. Yet again, incredibly good at a minimal body weight overall performance car. However, not a lot with regards to high-class motoring. The ILX package deal could be immensely increased by having a turbocharged engine into the combination. 2022 Acura ILX release date and price. The starting point price from the Acura ILX is $26,100 MSRP, not including the location control of $1,025 during the US. Along with the superior offer provided, it retails for $28,100. The a-spec offer can't be added without the top quality package deal and will take nearly $30,100. A totally packed ILX and top quality, technological innovation, and a-spec deals provided retails for $32,000. Even within the second option price, the Acura ILX symbolizes the best value for a lot you receive.